Now look at a cicada here. I believe it's dead. Yep, he's dead. Would you stop it? Go on. Oh my God, my dog. Can I get the cicada? He's dead. Oh, get out of my face. Okay. Alright. So that's a cicada. So that's what you're hearing right now. If you can hear it. They're all in the trees and stuff. And they make that high-pitched rattling noise. So apparently they only come around every 13 to 17 years. And then they die naturally after a couple weeks. Unless they end up like this one. So if you hear that noise, remember it, because you're only going to hear it about every 13 to 17 years.